Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn on how to log into your Paycom Employee Account. So let's get started. First, open any browser of your choice. Then in the search bar, type in Paycom, then hit enter. Then tap on the website having URL as paycom.com. In my case, it's the first one, so tap on it. And now we are in the official website of Paycom. Now to log in, hover your mouse over Login, then tap on Employee. And here you need to provide your login credentials to log into your account. So go ahead and type a username in the text field given for username. Then type a password in the text field given for password. You can tap on this I icon to see and verify whether you have typed in your correct password or not. Now you need to provide your 4-digit SSN or your PIN. So go ahead and provide it. You can also tap on this I icon to see and verify whether you have typed in your PIN correct or not. If you have forgotten your username or password, you can reset it by tapping on Forgot Username or Forgot Password. Now to log into your account, all you gotta do is tap on this login button and you will be successfully logged into your account if you got your credentials correct. And guys, that was it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, consider liking this video and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Feel free to drop any of your queries in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you.